while welding. Oi, and this is Manish. So today is the day 8 of our Scorpio conversion, and let me show you what we have done so far. So if you remember from our last episode, day 7, we had already welded the right side, so it is tack welded right in place, and now we need to adjust the tie member so that it fits correctly on left side as well, and then we can tie, tack weld it, make sure the lock fits in place and everything, and then we tack weld it, and then we weld it from left to right completely all together. So that's the plan, let's do it. And my parcel is also here meanwhile. धन्यवाद. Here it is, let's open it. काट दे. This is basically a auto dimming helmet, which I needed the most for this build. It is very inconvenient to weld without it. Let's open it up. So what happens is, when you are welding, you cannot see using the black glasses. So basically in this helmet you can see through, and as soon as you start welding, it auto dims it, so it has a battery, so which is good. Here is the helmet, and right inside here is Manish right there. Okay, so now we have already welded the right side. Now we want to weld the left side. Here the level is a bit high, the tie member is a bit high, so we need to cut it a little bit here at the bottom so that it fits on level. Let's do the cutting. So there was a little bit of body part from the previous cutting which was attached to the tie member, hence it was not able to fit perfectly here. Now I cut it along with this line, and now if you see, it is fitting perfectly right there, see, and in level also.
रेडी बता दे बस पकड़ना कहाँ है बिल्कुल इनको जोड़ ले साथ में हाँ यहाँ पे और थोड़ा तो आगे तीन साइड खींचो छोड़ दो ठीक है तो जोर ज़्यादा जोर नहीं लगाना इसको ऐसे थोड़ा सा उठा के यहाँ से अब इतना सा जोर लगना छोड़ दे थोड़ा यहाँ पे और लगा दे ठीक है रेडी मेरे को कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है बस बता दियो
So we have tack welded it from both sides, like from left and right. So let's now try closing it.
Perfect.
It's closing in perfect position. Let me show you one more time. Let me open and close it one more time for you.
आंट दे बोनट एकदम परफेक्ट लॉक हो रहा है नाइस
Now let's try fitting our fender also. No, it won't go there on the top. Okay, we need to take out that bolt first and then put it on. Let's try one more time. There it goes. Perfect. Here's one bolt, and if you see, if you notice here, this hole right here is for this bolt, and it perfectly fits on the new tie member. So yeah, that's where it goes. Now let's try fitting our grill and bonnet as well. I think the grill will go on the bonnet first. It has some locks right there which needs to fit in the bonnet, I mean the bumper, just like that. So first it fits in the bumper and then we can try putting it on.
उनको एक बार ये डाल इधर से, ये नहीं डाले पर ठीक है.
Look at this looks so absolutely stunning. Actually we haven't even welded the tie member yet, but we have just tried the parts on and they are looking beautiful. Wow, man, so impressed by myself. Moving on. So we have installed everything, like test install I should say, the bonnet, the bonnet bumper and the fenders and everything. So if you see here, the fender, the panel gaps are pretty consistent. This is a bit inside, but since we haven't done finalized it, but the lines are coming in perfectly. If you see, this one is consistent there, and on the side as well it's going down, and the same here. If you see, it goes with the headlight, and on the right side as well the line goes with the headlight. So it is pretty consistent. That means our time member, if you look at the left also, the line is perfect here. Now when we the fender is not installed properly, when we install it properly, even the smallest of these gaps that you see will be consistent later. So now that means our time member is actually fitted at perfect place, and we can completely weld it. For now it is just tack welded. So now that we can see that all the panel gaps are consistent and everything looks good, everything is fitting nicely, we can now finally weld it. I have to open it. Let's do the final weldings then.
हमें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में बढ़िया कितनी सीखी है, इसमें क्या सीखना है, कोई कर ले. So finally we are done. The time member is connected, and believe me, it is a very tough job. I disconnected, I cut it and welded at least 4 times, and finally now I am done with it. I have shown you only half of what I have done. Cutting and welding it again and again, but finally these welds are done, and that's what I'm trying to say. If you are really committed to it, then only touch this, otherwise don't try to do it yourself. But now yeah, it is done. Our all the panel gaps are equally good, and only the final welds are left. Later I'll do it in the next episode. Meanwhile, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Oh, pretty.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.